When did you start cooking?
I remember is 16 years old.
I just learned it recently.
Since I was a kid,
How long did it take you to learn how to cook?
over 10 years.
It's hard to say, but I think I'm still learning today because you need to learn a lot of recipes.
I think it didn't take me much time. The first time I made it, it was quite nice. The second time, it was better. The third time, it was nice, super nice.
So how did you learn to cook?
Well, I learned how to cook through the internet, and also at some point, I call a couple of friends and ask them, and I get stuck at a certain stage. So yeah,
I learned from all my videos.
By my grandma.
What funny mistakes did you make while learning to cook?
well, of course, it's a usual mistake many people make, adding a lot of spice and adding a lot of salt to my food. So yeah.
I burned my microwave.
One time I added too much soy sauce to dishes, and my family didn't like to eat it, and I ate everything.